Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Witty Monkey. A moral story: a clever mind can save one from danger. A monkey lived on a tree near the river. He loved eating berries from the trees. A crocodile couple lived in the river. One day, the wife said, "Please bring me the heart of the monkey. I want to eat it." The husband crocodile came up with a plan. He went to the monkey and said, "Monkey, I know of a tree on the other side of the river where you can find the juiciest berries. Hop on my back and I will take you to the other side." The monkey sat on the crocodile's back. In the middle of the river, the crocodile stopped and said, "My wife wants to eat your heart. I will kill you now." The monkey replied, "But I left my heart on the tree. Take me back and I will give it to you." As they reached the shore, the monkey ran away and never went back.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.